A blessed day, everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Exodus chapter 22 in verse 20. That is the punishment for offering sacrifices to any god except me. So this passage talks about an Old Testament law or rule pertaining to giving sacrifices to those idols. Yes, idols. So, we are fully aware that our God is a jealous God. That's why those sacrifices, those offerings must be given unto Him alone and not to idols. And not to unclean spirit, not to demons, and not to... We must not give our sacrifices and offering unto our fellow human beings who proclaim themselves as God. Our sacrifices, our offering, in the Old Testament, they have the so-called burnt offering, sacrificial offering, and that is a pleasing aroma unto the Lord. So if they offer those sacrificial offering, burnt offering unto other God, then it is a mockery unto God. It is considered as blasphemy. That's why during their time, it is a death sentence if they offer sacrifices or burnt offering or sacrificial offering unto other God. Because they as a nation, they became fully aware of the power of God. So, why is it that they want to replace God by other idols? So, it is an insult to God if you offer a burnt offering or a sacrificial offering unto other God. Despite the fact that Israel during their time, they already experienced the power of God. So, it is unreasonable or unjust for them if they offer those burnt offering unto other God other than their God or other than our God as well. Because the God that they are serving and we are serving as well even today is the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. And God is the living God, not an idols, not a wooden idols, not as stone idols, not all made of gold. Our God is not made of gold. He is not made of stone. He is not made of wood. Our God is the creator of all things. And during their time, they have the burnt offering, the sacrificial offering. And yes, it is a symbol. Symbolizes and testify the greatness of their God through those sacrificial offering and burnt offering. Nowadays, maybe we don't have the burnt offering, the sacrificial offering, but we do have offering that is given during our church service, and that offering will be used for the management of His church. Or yes, nowadays we as a modern Christian, we as modern worshiper, and we as a modern Christian, the sacrificial offering and the burnt offering is no more applicable in our days, but we do still give an offering unto the altar, unto the church, for the church to be managed. Because after all, we pay the rent for the venue, we pay the rent for the electricity, we pay the rent for the water supply and everything else. That's why it is still a must for us Christians to financially support our church through our offering. Okay?